Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the VOO ETF. We previously published an initial report on our website on Thursday, February 15, 2024, and now we're back to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On November 3, 2023, our system ranked VOO as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.30. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 15.49% since we first listed VOO as a buy candidate 71 days ago. This means an average return of 0.22% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. According to the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 10.52% change in the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 7.94% to 11.78%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 19.51% change over the next year, with a potential return between 3.61% and 19.77%. This would result in a price range of $477.98 to $552.52 after a year. Our latest update for VOO brings you an exciting headline: stronger technical forecast for VOO ETF price after Thursday's trading. The VOO ETF price showed a positive gain of 0.661% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, February 15, 2024. It went up from $458.29 to $461.32. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a slight fluctuation of 0.678%, reaching a low of $458.43 and a high of $461.54. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, showing a growth of 2.59% in the last 2 weeks. On the last day, the volume fell by 300,000 shares, with a total of 5 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.11 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume along with higher prices could indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $462.74, while the lowest price was $349.76. Currently, the price is 0.31% or $1.42 below the 52-week high of $462.74, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for VOO, an ETF that you may be interested in. The VOO ETF shows positive indications with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. In addition, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, reinforcing the positive outlook. If the stock experiences any downward corrections, it is likely to find support at around $458.66 and $444.96. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals may be triggered. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 3.94% increase so far. This suggests a potential further rise until a new top pivot is identified. It's worth noting that despite the recent price gains, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign and warrants close monitoring of the ETF. Additionally, some negative signals have been observed, which could impact the short-term development of the ETF. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. These factors should be taken into consideration when assessing the investment potential of VOO. Here are some other signals that might catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, it indicates a sell signal. Pivots, this signal suggests a buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was generated 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, it generated a sell signal 4 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it generated a sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, this signal suggests a buy signal 67 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it generated a buy signal 56 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signal updates. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. When it comes to downside support, VOO has some key levels to watch. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $434.01 and $433.78. It's important to keep an eye on these levels because if they are broken, the ETF may fall further to the next support level. In this case, that would be at $434.01. If that level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $433.78 and $432.34. Generally, this ETF tends to have controlled movements and is considered to have low risk, thanks to its good liquidity. In fact, it only moved $3.11 between its high and low in the last day, which is a mere 0.678%. Looking at the last week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 0.785%. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for VOO. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. Consider entering a position and using volume as a determining factor for when to exit. On the downside, VOO finds its first support level at $434.01. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. For this video, we have an important recommendation regarding the stop-loss level. We suggest setting the stop-loss at $440.61, which represents a decrease of 4.49%. Now, let's talk about the ETF we're discussing today. This particular ETF has relatively low daily movements, which means it carries a lower risk compared to other options. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 11 days ago, further supporting our analysis. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO currently shows several positive signals and is experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a promising choice at its current levels, with further gains expected over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. When examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 16th, we anticipate VOO to open with a decrease of minus 89 cents, starting at $460.43. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advised to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think the target for the ETF should be? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.